Hello everyone. Now we'll see about the morphological classification of fungi. First we should know what is mycology. Mycology is a study of fungi. Medical mycology is a study of medically important fungi. And mycosis is the infection which is caused by the fungi. Raymond Sabarot is known as a father of medical mycology because he has made lot of contributions and research in the field of medical mycology, and moreover his specific works were on dermatophytic infections. So now we will see about fungi. Fungi, they belong to any one of the four taxonomic groups. They may belong to either zygomycetes or ascomycetes or basidiomycetes or deuteromycetes. We are seeing about medically important fungi. And these fungi are said to be eukaryotic organisms. They have true nucleus. And moreover, they also have the cell organelles like the mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. And moreover, these fungi are said to be either unicellular or multicellular. They have cell wall. The cell wall also contains chitin, mannan or polysaccharides. And the very important feature of this fungi is the cytoplasmic membrane, which contains sterols. This is a very important feature, that is the cytoplasmic membrane. They contain sterols in fungi. Fungi are said to be heterotrophic in their nutrition. And these fungi are said to be ubiquitous in nature. That is, they are found everywhere. They are found in the soil, they are found in the water, they are found in dead organic matters. Next, we will move on to the morphological classification of fungi. Based on the morphology, fungi has been classified into yeast-like fungi, molds, and dimorphic fungi. So first we will see about the yeast. Yeast are said to be unicellular organisms, or they may be single-celled organisms. Their shape is either oval or they may be round in shape, and they reproduce by budding. Usually these are seen as creamy colonies or mucoid colonies. Example, Cryptococcus neoformans. Next is yeast-like fungi. They are also yeast. The main difference is that they have elongated cells which are called as a pseudohyphae. They are the blastoconidia, which are elongated, and these elongated cells are seen attached to the neighboring cells. So pseudohyphae is produced by yeast-like fungi. Example, Candida albicans. Next is molds. Molds are the multicellular organisms. They have intertwined branching filaments. The filament is called as a hyphae. Every single filament is called as a hyphae. The hyphae may be septate or non-septate, which we call as aseptate. The hyphae may be either septate or aseptate. Septate means these hyphae, they have cross walls, and non-septate means they do not have cross walls. And the hyphae may be either vegetative or the hyphae may be a fertile hyphae. If they are vegetative hyphae, they are involved in nutrition. That is, they absorb the nutrients from the medium. If they are fertile hyphae, they bear the reproductive parts. So the hyphae may be either septate or aseptate, and the hyphae may be either vegetative or fertile hyphae. These hyphae together, they form the mycelium. That is a network of intertwined filaments. They form the mycelium, or the collection of hyphae. They form the mycelium. So this is about the molds. We have example Aspergillus. Next is dimorphic fungi. So dimorphic fungi means they exist in two forms, either the yeast form or the mold form. And this is set usually temperature dependent. So the yeast form, they are generally seen in the animal tissues or in human beings. And the mold form, they are seen in the outside environmental conditions. So in our body, when we find these dimorphic fungi, they may be observed as a yeast form. The temperature of our body is usually 37 degrees. So at this temperature, they may exist in the yeast form. And in the outside environment, at the temperature of 22 degrees or 25 degrees, they are said to exist in the mycelial form or the mold form. So the example, you have Histoplasma capsulatum, and That is, they exist in two forms, that is the yeast form and the mold form. Inside the human tissues, they exist in the yeast form, that is a unicellular form, and outside they are seen in the seen as mycelial structures. So we have seen about the morphological classification, which includes yeast-like fungi, molds, and the dimorphic fungi. Thank you.